What up, greedy folks? We are back with another video. This one's not going to be a short video. This one's going to be a full length for you guys. Thought I'll give you guys a full length video. Not so many shorts this time. So what we are eating is Mickey D's. We got that hash brown. And we got that McGriddle. All right. How y'all doing out there today? Y'all all right? Now, do y'all eat Mickey D's or y'all think it'll kill you? Do you get the McGriddle from Mickey D's? Do you put the hash brown on the sandwich or do you eat it separate? How you do yours? So how I like to do mine is I like to tear a little piece off and then I like to put the right there on top. You know what I mean? So we just stack that McGriddle up. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that goodness, y'all. We got that pancake top and bottom with that sausage and cheese, that egg, and a young hash brown. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Greedy gang. Also, if you guys want to get your Greedy Folks shirt, you can go to the About section in my YouTube channel, and there is a link there to get this Greedy Folks signature tee with the green glitter, and then there's a black one, a black tee with just white writing, and then of course Greedy Folks on the front. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Jump down in the comments. Let me know how y'all doing today. And what you eating or what you ate already. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let me know down in the comments below, what's your favorite Mickey D's item? Is it the breakfast items? Is it the lunch and dinner items? Is it the Big Mac quarter pounder? Or is it that McGriddle? Or is it the frappe? I like them too. Or is it the McFlurry? Let me know what you messing with. Greedy folk. I just got another channel, you guys. I'm not necessarily just eating. It's family stuff on there, restaurant reviews, vacations, pranks. If you guys want to see that, go over to Chris, K-R-I-S, and Kanita, C-A-N-I-T-A. Go over to that channel, give a like and a subscribe on those. Give a subscribe to the channel, watch the videos, give a like on it, and let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments on that channel that you came over from Greedy Folks. See who's messing with me on that other channel. I ain't doing much, you guys. Just a little breakfast as you see. Hoping everybody's day is good. I never know what the new day is going to bring. Hopefully all good things. Hopefully you're staying positive out there. You ain't hating on nobody. Hopefully ain't nobody hating on you. Although we need our haters, you know what I'm saying? They fuel us. They give us that do-it juice fluid to keep going. So if you ain't got nobody to hate on, feel free to hate on me. I can take it. Yeah. This sandwich is busting though. There it is. And something about that pancake top and bottom. Something about it. Sets this sandwich right over the top. Separates it from all them other ones. You guys, I had said in some of my shorts, if you guys had got me to 1,000 subs, and I'm almost at 6, before the 26th of this month, which is the 24th, I was going to be giving away 5 Greedy Folk shirts. I ain't saying that you guys still can't do it, but it's only 2 days away. If you guys want them free Greedy Folk shirts, share me around, get my numbers up. We're trying to get to that first milestone of 1,000 subs. And I appreciate my loyal Greedy Folk members. I do appreciate you guys that rock with this greedy campaign. Man, delicious. Let me know if you guys want to see restaurant reviews. Actually, I got a couple on that other channel. And check that out. You might like some of the content that's going on over there. You can check out my TikTok too if you want. Go Get It Chris. K-R-I-S. And I got a lot of funny content over there, you guys. I think you guys will crack up and get a laugh. Being silly, being crazy. I'm doing what I like to do, as we all should. Just, stop hating. Be happy and free. Stop worrying about what people think. Be you, do you. You know what I'm saying? The world needs more of that. Not so much judgmental, hee ha ha, pointing, lying, hating. All that nonsense, man. The world gotta cut that out. It'll be a much better place with all that in each other's face. The sandwich is busting. Yeah. You guys let me know if you like the videos like this or like this. Landscape or portrait. I actually meant to put it in landscape mode for you guys. I've been shooting so many shorts on this channel. I forgot. I'm sorry, Greedy folks. The next long full-length video will be in landscape mode. I may shoot one tonight for you or this afternoon, we'll see. But meanwhile, we're gonna continue in on this McGriddle. McGriddle with the hash brown on there. Yeah. Not bad. It fills you up too when you put that hash brown on it. It do the job. Don't forget to let me know how y'all living today, what you done ate. And don't forget to check out my TikTok, Go Get It Chris, K-R-I-S. That's how you spell my name. And the other channel, Chris and Kanita, C-A-N-I-T-A. You guys check that out. I think they'll get a bunch of enjoyment out of that content, both platforms. And until next time, as always, stay greedy.